Hello everyone, new tutorial today, and it's all about activating Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation the fastest way possible. We're going to use Command Prompt in admin mode, and it only takes one command, which you'll see on screen now, and also find in the video description. Once you run it, you'll notice some system downloads will begin automatically. This is converting your evaluation version into a full standard edition, installing the missing files. As you can see, this process is actually much more straightforward than the method used for Windows Enterprise editions. When the conversion finishes, it'll ask for a restart. Type Y, hit Enter, and give it a few minutes for the changes to apply. By the way, you might notice that the Windows Server interface is very minimal compared to Home or Pro editions. As we've shown in another short video, Windows Server isn't really optimized for daily personal use. If you're looking for a better compromise with performance and control, Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC or IoT versions might be a better fit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you find this useful. We drop tutorials like this regularly. And in most cases, after restart, you'll just need to re-enter your product key through settings to finalize the activation process. We provide genuine product keys for Windows Server including 2025 with warranty and support. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.